Now today we're going to be reviewing a Jam Plus 2 speaker. No, a Jam 2 Plus wireless rechargeable Bluetooth speaker. Now this was a gift to me and I decided I'd do a review on it. And this is a really cool, loud but small wireless Bluetooth speaker. It comes in this cute little plastic container, and let's open it up. It comes with a great charging cable that I do have to say is quite short. I don't know how long it is, but it's very short. I have a spare one, so it doesn't really matter to me. But if you don't have one of these cables, you know, it's just quite short. It could be longer, that's all I'm saying. But it also comes with a neat little circular guide on how to set it up, basically how to pair it with your mobile device. It also, which is really cool, it has an option where I feel like it is quite a rip-off, that if you have two of them, you have to buy two of them. But if you do have two of them, you can pair the two of them together for stereo listening, which, let's say your friend has one, that is cool because then you can pair the two of yours together. But if you don't have a friend that has one, no, not really many people are going to go out and buy a whole nother one. I know they're a bit pricey. I'll either put the price here or here, but I've heard from some people that it's actually a really good speaker. So there's a little protective plastic thing that comes in the box, and then you get the actual speaker. Now the speaker does come with a little bottom protection unit, so if you're ever putting it on, let's say, I don't know, maybe you're on the beach and you want to listen to music, I think you put this thing here, and so you don't get like the speaker dirty at the bottom. And here's the speaker. Let's listen to it. It also has 6 hours of battery life. You can listen to it, you can be connected to it and listening with your device up to 30 feet away, and yeah, it works with all Bluetooth enabled devices. Let's turn it off. So there's the on button at the bottom there, pressing it. That made a noise, I don't know if you could hear that. I'm going to turn the volume up. Now I'm going to pair my Bluetooth device, my iPad basically. So open my iPad and let's play a song. Okay, let's see how loud it really is. Okay, that is very loud. That is max volume, and I feel like that is actually loud enough if you're gonna have a party. That is definitely loud enough. So I am noticing when they get to the really high-pitched parts on very loud volumes, it does start distorting the audio a bit, but overall it does sound very, well, original, like very natural sound. It's not too much amplified or anything. It sounds original and good. There's also, I forgot to say, on the front, there are 2 buttons for adjusting volume, and there's also a pause and play button. At the back, you have your 2 ports, the charging port and your line-in port, where the line-in ports, if you don't have a Bluetooth-enabled device, but you have an auxiliary cable, which is like a cable where you can connect 2 audio devices together. You can use it to connect it to, let's say you have an old iPod or something that's not Bluetooth enabled that has a headphone jack or something like that. Overall, this is a really good speaker. As I said, it has 6 hours of battery life, and it comes in quite a few colors. It comes in black, grey, blue, light blue, pink, and purple. So there's a lot of variety. I have the standard grey one, but I like the grey one. It has like a silvery finish to it. Okay guys, there there you have it, the Jam 2 Plus speaker with possible stereo sound, great no distortion at high volume, 6 hours of battery life. It's an overall very good device. I recommend you buying it. And now I know the price. This model, any of the colors, but the specific model of the Jam speaker will set you back about $40. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to hit that like button and hit subscribe.